In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share a board in Monday.com, whether you're working with internal team members, external clients, or managing private projects. Understanding the different board types and permissions is extremely important so you don't accidentally give the wrong people access. By the end of this video, you'll know how to confidently share any board the right way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Monday.com guides just like this. Let's get started. First, let's talk about sharing a standard board with your internal team. Start by opening the board you want to share. Once you're inside the board, look at the top right corner and click the Share button. A window will pop up where you can add people to the board. Simply type the email address or name of an existing team member. If they're not already in your account, you'll have the option to invite them. Next, you'll need to choose their access level. You have three main options. Owner gives full control over the board, including structure changes and permissions. Member allows them to edit items and collaborate normally. Viewer provides read-only access, meaning they can see everything but cannot make changes. Select the appropriate role, then confirm the invitation. It's important to note that if this is a main board, you cannot share it with clients or external users. Main boards are for internal teams only. Now let's look at how to share a shareable board, which is what you'll use for clients, contractors, freelancers, or vendors. Shareable boards are specifically designed to collaborate with people outside your company while keeping the rest of your workspace private. To do this, open the shareable board and again click the Share button in the top right corner. Enter the external person's email address. This time you'll see slightly different role options. You can assign them as a guest, which is an external user who can collaborate on the board, or as a viewer if you want them to have read-only access. After selecting the appropriate role, click Send Invite. The key thing to remember here is that guests can only see the specific boards you share with them. They cannot access other boards or areas of your Monday.com workspace. This makes shareable boards the safest option for client collaboration. Next, let's go over private boards. Private boards are visible only to the people who are explicitly invited. Even internal team members won't see the board unless you add them. To share a private board, open it and click the Share button, just like before. Select the team member you want to invite, then choose their permission level, owner, member, or viewer. Once added, they'll gain access immediately. Keep in mind that private boards cannot be shared with external guests. They are strictly for internal use with controlled visibility. So to quickly recap, use main boards for internal collaboration with your whole team, use shareable boards when working with external clients or partners, and use private boards when you need restricted internal access. Always double-check the board type before sending invites to make sure you're sharing it the right way. That's it. You now know how to share a board in Monday.com the correct way depending on your situation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future Monday.com tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.